Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Goodnotes 6 and navigating to the page you want. Make sure your Apple Pencil or finger input is ready. Tap the toolbox and pick the Sticky Notes tool or create a quick rectangle with the Shapes tool, then convert to a sticky. Select color, size, and opacity so the note reads clearly on top of your content. Once done, drag and position the sticky where it belongs. This first step sets a clean foundation for organizing ideas visually. Now you refine the sticky note. Double tap to edit text and use Goodnotes formatting options to adjust font, size, and emphasis so your note communicates hierarchy. Use the lasso to resize, rotate, or nudge the note into exact alignment. Use Arrange to bring it forward or send it back relative to other elements. If you have related stickies, group them or add hyperlinks to pages for quick navigation. These steps help maintain clarity and make multi-note workflows smoother as your page grows. Finish by organizing. Color code or stack related stickies, move them onto dedicated pages, and add labels so you can scan at a glance. When you need to share, export the page or copy selected stickies as images or a PDF, making sure export settings preserve resolution. If you encounter problems, like a sticky that won't edit or move, make sure you're not in view only or presentation mode. Toggle selection tools and restart Goodnotes if that doesn't resolve it. That single troubleshooting tip fixes most hiccups.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.